Morning everybody, quick update. We are leaving tomorrow on the maiden voyage. Just wanted to show where the spare tire goes. This lock was all busted, so we just got a cam lock at Ace and replaced it. It was fairly simple, but Brian had to think about it for quite a while because we were trying to re-engineer it so that it was, I don't know, better use, but we decided that it was better to go with just the original design. So there you have that. He's gonna put in the flooring tonight. So this will all be covered, but we can get to it obviously by these access panels here. Just wanted to quickly go over the cabinets. I went ahead and I had to clean all of them, and then I chalk painted them with the Annie Sloan Old White, and then I've so far done a coat of the clear wax, and then I've started doing the dark wax to get that aged look. So just one coat of each. And before I did the wax, I distressed a little bit with just a wet cloth. It comes off real easy, that chalk paint. So that's what I've done with the cabinets. And yeah, I'll give some more later.